Saturday. So your homework for the weekend is everybody will write an essay on safety. If you don't come with your homework done, remember you're going to be punished.
Why safety? Why can't teacher ask us to write about the rain or circus?
I love circus. I am sure our teacher hates circus and rain. What is there to write about safety?
You are right. We are all safe. Teacher wants us to learn about safety. That is why she gave us this homework. I know everything about safety. It's so easy.
Safety, safety, safety. Safety, safety, safety.
Okay, safety is to be safe and we have to be safe.
You don't know anything about safety, so please keep quiet.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
You should walk properly on the road. Are you not aware of the road safety?
Oh dear, it is very important to know about road safety.
Maya, please help us. We don't know anything about safety. Our teacher has given us homework to write all about safety.
No problem. We will teach you what safety is all about.
Hooray!
Let's start with road safety. Firstly, always walk on the footpath. Walk with schoolmates or your parents whenever possible.
What if I am alone?
Stay out of the street. Use sidewalks wherever available. If there is no footpath, then stay as close to the corner of the road as possible and always walk facing the traffic. Walking in the middle of the street is dangerous.
Do you know about traffic signals? Okay, I'll teach you. Red light says stop. Never cross the road while signal is red. Wait for the walk signal.
Why is there yellow light?
Yellow is a warning which blinks just before the signal turns red.
Use zebra lines while crossing the road.
If there is no zebra line, then
Don't cross the road. Keep walking straight.
If there is no zebra line, you have to be alert. Look right, look left. Wait for the speeding vehicles to pass. Then you cross the road. And walk slowly, but do not run.
Nowadays, there are subways. You can use them while crossing the road.
Today, your school bus driver is on leave, but the next time you board a bus, be careful. Pushing and shoving can cause accidents. Follow the queue like good students. Wait for the bus to stop completely. Never walk or run behind the bus. Enter and leave the bus in a single queue. Step away from the bus after getting off.
Bobby is always in a hurry. He breaks the queue.
Sasha keeps pushing me. It's not my mistake.
I never did that to you.
Okay. But from now onwards, no playing mischief on the road.
I hope now you all are aware of the road safety.
Yes.
So, how easy it is to follow road safety.
I can write about the road safety so easily. Wow, here is a garden. Vayu, shall we play in the garden for some time, please?
Okay, but you will have to promise me that all of you will behave like good kids.
Yes.
And you will follow the safety rules of the garden.
Safety in the garden?
Oh yes, safety in the garden too.
Don't you know most of the accidents happen in the garden?
No, we don't know anything about safety rules in the garden.
No problem. I'll teach you. Come on, let us check the safety rules written on the board there.
So, here are few important and simple instructions to follow.
I never noticed them before.
Because you are too careless.
No, I'm not. It is you always meet with an accident. Sasha, you are absolutely right. Once we were playing in the garden and Bobby fell in the puddle.
Even you fell from the slide. Don't you remember that?
Oh kids, stop blaming each other. We are here to learn how to avoid accidents.
Yes, Maya.
Let's start. While playing in the garden or a new place, always play in groups. Because if any one of you gets hurt, the rest can take care.
And you can also avoid getting lost in the bushes. Never play in the dense bushes or long grown grass, as there may be snakes hiding somewhere.
Snakes?
I am not scaring you. We have to take precautions, isn't it, kids?
And if not snakes, there could be sharp pieces of broken glasses. And it could also be dangerous.
Yes.
Never touch any unknown toys, boxes, or any such object that do not belong to you.
But why?
It could be a good gift. Maybe an angel must have kept it for us.
It could be a belated Christmas gift from Santa Claus.
And what if it turns out to be something dangerous? Like a bomb?
Bomb?
But such things happen only in movies.
No, kids. It could also happen in real life.
Then, what shall we do?
Inform your parents about it. Or you can call the watchman of the garden. He will take care of such unknown objects.
always stay away from the electricity boxes. And yes, what does this sign indicate?
It says that there is ghost inside.
You are wrong.
This sign indicates that ghosts can come anytime, so stay away.
No, kids. This sign indicates danger. Stay away. It is mostly displayed near the electricity boxes.
I will never ever go near electricity boxes.
I will play away from this danger sign.
Always inform your parent about the spot where you are playing. Never play in a lonely place. Play in groups. While playing on the swing and slide, be careful. Your carelessness can cause accidents. Never rush or push your friend from a slide. Be careful while on the swing.
Hey kids, do you love swimming?
We all enjoy swimming.
In vacations or weekends, I go to swimming with my father.
I love swimming. It's so much fun.
You need to be careful, especially while in the swimming pool. Never play water sports lonely in the swimming pool. Always stay within the reach and the sight of the life-saving guard or your parents. It is much better if you wear life-saving jackets for safety. If someone is drowning, inform the life-saving guard or your parents.
I will be careful in the swimming pool. I will never play mischief while swimming.
That's good. You are learning fast about safety.
And don't you forget, never accept any chocolates or gifts from strangers. They could kidnap you and take you away from your parents.
It would be better if you avoid talking to strangers.
What if the stranger is really good? Not everybody is bad.
You never know who the stranger is. So inform your parents before getting friendly with the strangers.
Never chase a ball or a toy into the street as it can cause accidents.
Also stay away from the ponds. And never throw your toys or ball in the ponds.
Wow! I think we are about to complete our homework.
Didn't I tell you writing about safety is so easy? After learning about road and garden safety, I'm really feeling safe.
Hey kids, we must reach home before your parents get worried.
Let's go!
Vayu, is there any safety rules to follow at home?
Oh yes.
You are so smart. Yes, you have to be careful at home too.
Maya and Vayu, please come to my place and teach us about safety at home.
Okay kids, let's go to Bobby's home.
Oh Maya, what a pleasant surprise to see you. How are you, Vayu?
I am fine, thank you.
Please come inside, kids, and feel at home. What brings you here? Oh, I hope Bobby hasn't done anything wrong.
No, Mother, I have done nothing wrong. Today, we are going to learn about safety at home.
That's wonderful. It would be such a relief if the kids act like responsible members of the family. Please start with your safety lessons. I'll arrange for some snacks.
To start with, kids, take precaution against electric switches and wires. Never insert your finger in the plugs. It could give you electric shocks. Never play with electricity wires while the switch is on. Never try to fix a bulb while the electricity is on. Never repair electrical appliances by your own. Call an electrician for the job.
I never know switches can be so dangerous.
Me too. I thought it's so easy to repair. My mother makes lovely samosas. Let's go in the kitchen and have some.
Oh, so you kids cannot control yourself, huh?
Bobby, stop! Never go near the frying pan while your mother is cooking. The oil can get splashed and cause burns. Stay away from the burning stoves and hot utensils. Watch your clothes while in the kitchen. If synthetic and loose hanging clothes come closer to fire, it can cause accidents. And yes, always switch off the regulator of your cylinder when not in use. If you smell gas, open all the windows and do not switch on the lights. The spark of the electricity can cause fire. Call your parents or neighbors to assist you in switching off the gas regulator. If fire takes place, quickly call the fire brigade and your neighbors for help.
Oh, Maya, it's so nice of you to teach these kids about safety.
Thank you. It is our duty to make these kids responsible people.
And kids, never burn crackers or matchsticks inside your home. Never play mischief with fire, as it could burn your home to ashes.
If you see fire in the neighborhood, who would you call?
We shall call the fire brigade.
And also ask neighbors to help extinguish fire.
And kids, never play in the balcony or try to climb over your terrace balcony. You can fall and break your legs.
Pete, fly kites on the terrace.
Because I didn't know about safety, but now I promise I will never ever play or fly kite on the terrace.
That's like a good boy.
Samosas and juice is ready. Come on everybody, to the table. Maya, Vayu, thank you so much for visiting our place and teaching these kids about safety. I'm always so worried about Bobby, especially when I take him to the market. He's so mischievous and always keeps on running here and there.
Mother, from now onwards, I will never trouble you. I promise.
Hey Bobby, that's like a good boy. Remember, if you're lost in the market, stay at one place. Search for the police officer and get his assistance. It would be much better if you carry the telephone number of your parents or your relatives with you.
During vacations, when you are traveling, be alert and careful. On the railway station, stay away from the railway tracks. Never rush towards the approaching train. Never get down from the train without your parents' permission.
And remember about the strangers.
Yes, we will never accept gifts or chocolates from the strangers.
What if the stranger is a TV star? Do we still have to say no to him?
Wow, we have almost completed our homework on safety. That's great.
Now we can go swimming on Sunday, but of course, following safety rules.
Hey kids, these small tips of safety can make your life so easy and enjoyable.
You too follow these safety rules and be safe.